Easy installation, no special tools or plumbing required. Fits over existing levered ball valve. Controller required. Compatible with SmartThings, Wink, Hubitat, Nexia, Control 4, Universal Devices, Honeywell, etc. Don't have a smart home controller? Check out the Bulldog-WIFI. High torque and intelligent stroke control make EcoNet's Bulldog valve robot ideal for the toughest valves and installations. Top reviews from the United States. Best shutoff valve out there. After a flood that cost my homeowner's insurance $30,000 a few years ago, a shutoff system is not new to me. My previous one cost $. Worked great, except the manufacturer closed up shop, stopped supporting the proprietary app, making it useless. So, I did my research to replace it. I choose EcoNet. My previous system cost more and used a proprietary app and hub. So, I'm stuck with a lot of functional expensive hardware now that is useless. Never again. EcoNet works with SmartThings and other non-proprietary hubs. You can use any Z-Wave, Zigbee leak sensor as well that works with whatever hub you choose. I choose SmartThings and bought a SmartThings hub just for this. SmartThings may or may not be being sold by Samsung, but it doesn't really matter because almost any smart hub will work and there is enough hardware out there that some hub will exist for quite a while. Anyway, I did a lot of research and feel like I could be considered an armchair expert on these water auto shutoff type systems. Pros cons of various manufacturers. Reviews. Costs. There are two main types: EMO, proprietary, all sensors, software, hardware same company and stuck using them for everything ******, or, they do not make it clear if it will work with other equipment, and build your own, based on IFTT type tech and some smart hub. I'm not including anything that doesn't utilize smartphone control. That is just outdated. While proprietary is easy plug and play, there is no customization and no support if whoever makes it decides to stop supporting it or making parts available. Build your own means you can pick and choose components and has the potential for incremental upgrades if something breaks or technology improves. Anyway, after doing the research, the EcoNet valve seemed like the best. First, whoever EcoNet is, they are right on it with answering questions, help, and information. Many people have said if you contact them with questions or concerns, a response is very fast. I found this to be the case. The guy was quick and knew his product. I use this valve as an auto leak shutoff, but also to just turn the water off with my phone when I will be gone for a long time. I need something that is not flimsy, can cycle many times without issue or stressing the pipes. The last thing you want is some piece of junk that actually causes plumbing damage and a leak. Also, I chose this valve because you don't have to mess with the plumbing. I'm a person who can fix anything, but if for some reason the valve is defective or needs to be replaced, it's just easier to not have to take pipes apart. EcoNet also has a bunch of videos on YouTube demoing their valve. People not confident in their product don't do this. They also give you the option of an EcoNet plug-and-play system if you want that using a third-party app or no internet at all. A lot of options.